As the sun sets over a dark, futuristic city, a battle unlike any other begins to unfold. Neon lights flicker ominously as two titans of artificial intelligence, Google's Gemini and OpenAI's ChatGPT, prepare for a showdown that will not only determine their dominance, but also shape the future of the digital landscape. Suspense fills the air as the voices of developers and tech enthusiasts echo a single question: which AI will emerge victorious? In the first round of this technological duel, we explore the strengths of each contender. Gemini boasts unparalleled power with its advanced contextual memory system that allows it to engage in lengthy conversations and maintain continuity across them. With the ability to process text, images, and videos together, Gemini seems unstoppable. On the opposing side, ChatGPT brings precision and speed to the table, flaunting its optimization for human-like conversations. In this arena, Gemini may deploy its multimodal capabilities, but ChatGPT takes the lead in delivering responses with an intricate understanding of conversational depth and logic. Yet as the battle wages on, weaknesses in their defenses begin to surface. Even the mightiest warriors are not without flaws, and both AIs have encountered challenges that could jeopardize their quests for supremacy. Gemini, despite its impressive design, stumbled upon factual inaccuracies that led to a swift halt in its operations. Meanwhile, ChatGPT has faced scrutiny over its tendency to produce misleading information, resulting in mistrust among its users. With both AIs showing cracks in their armor, the audience is left pondering the consequences of their choices amidst this technological chaos. As we look beyond statistics and capabilities, the war between Gemini and ChatGPT transcends mere performance metrics. It digs deep into questions of influence and control in the increasingly digital world. With debates spiraling around ethics, accuracy, and user trust, the real question becomes not just which AI performs better, but which one will lead the way into an uncertain future. As clouds of uncertainty loom over the digital realm, it is clear that the war is just beginning, setting the stage for a conflict that may redefine artificial intelligence as we know it. Can a clear victor even emerge, or are we merely witnessing the dawn of a new digital frontier where both parties have significant roles to play? As we plunge deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, a fierce battle for supremacy unfolds, reminiscent of epic confrontations in technology history. The stakes have never been higher, as companies like OpenAI and Google vie for dominance in a market that commands vast influence and resources. OpenAI's ChatGPT has surged ahead with an astounding 100 million active users, showcasing its appeal through seamless, human-like interactions. But lurking in the background is Google, poised to unleash its Gemini AI across its sprawling ecosystem, embedding it into widely used platforms like Gmail, YouTube, and Search, ensuring its reach could become ubiquitous without the user's consent. This intense competition paints a vivid picture of two contrasting strategies. OpenAI, riding the wave of its partnership with Microsoft, integrates ChatGPT into tools like Windows, Office, and Azure, leveraging billions to solidify its position in the enterprise sector. Conversely, Google employs a long-term strategy, gradually weaving Gemini into the fabric of its workspace applications, transforming the way people interact with technology daily. It's more than a contest of products. It signals a broader struggle for AI's future, a battle where innovation and utility dictate who will ultimately hold the reins of power. The question arises, will we witness a singular AI dominate the landscape? Or will we see a coexistence akin to the smartphone rivalry between Apple and Android? On one hand, OpenAI aims to refine human-like conversations and personalization, pushing the boundaries of genuine engagement. On the other, Google enhances its entrenched user experience, allowing Gemini to flourish within existing daily routines. Yet, the landscape remains open for disruption. The fear looms large. Could a new contender emerge on the horizon, surpassing both giants in AI sophistication, control, and application? This scenario hints at a much larger war for the future, where the victor may surprise everyone. As the dust settles in this AI arms race, Examining the current state reveals a thrilling, yet uncertain forecast. Presently, ChatGPT reigns supreme in user engagement and intuitive interaction, while Google's future maneuverability with Gemini hints at a potentially disruptive force. This battle is only beginning, with landscapes shifting constantly. With anticipation growing, one must ask, which AI will ultimately claim the title of champion? The arena is set, and the audience awaits your verdict. Join the discourse and share your thoughts on who will emerge victorious in this riveting showdown. The AI revolution is just starting, and innovation is accelerating at an unprecedented pace. Keep your finger on the pulse of this technological evolution and join the dialogue that shapes tomorrow. Engage with us, like, comment, and share your thoughts. Subscribe for explosive insights and transformative AI battles that will redefine our future. Don't miss out. Your journey into the future of AI begins now.